Hello and welcome. SKAGEN is launching a new equity fund, and portfolio manager Thomas Johansson, you're going to run SKAGEN Insight. Tell us a bit about that fund.
Yes, so SKAGEN Insight is our new equity fund that targets investments in the 30 to 40 most attractive activist campaigns globally. In these situations, we are invested alongside traditional activist funds and other minority shareholders who are urging companies to improve. Our ability to deliver strong returns here depends on our selection process for identifying situations where these active owners can unlock value for all shareholders. And we employ the same value-based philosophy that we have at our other funds at SKAGEN. And we only invest into companies where we believe there's a scope for change, either from a structural, strategic, operational, financial, or governance standpoint. And as always, this is about investing into undervalued companies. And we also spend time thinking about the activist funds involved and whether these are the right funds to catalyze positive change. And with experience from sitting at the activist table, as well as our global fund platform at SKAGEN, we are well positioned to execute on this strategy.
And for those of us not familiar with the term activist, what is that?
Essentially, shareholder activism is about standing up for minority shareholders' rights, something that resonates very well with our philosophy at SKAGEN. And activist investors are engaged owners that are working to improve companies. In a sense, SKAGEN Insight is a shadow activist because we invest alongside these active owners and are able to benefit from much of their hard work without doing much of the heavy lifting. But importantly, our incentives are the same. What is good for them is good for us, and it is good for other minority shareholders. And we have a strong belief that it creates value for everyone if engaged owners are able to turn up the temperature in the boardroom. Because this creates a sense of urgency in decision making, which is ultimately beneficial to all stakeholders.
And in your view, what differentiates SKAGEN Insight from SKAGEN's other equity funds?
So SKAGEN Insight is based on the same value philosophy as our other funds, but it offers pure exposure to the globalization of shareholder activism. All our other funds also have positive experiences from investing into these types of situations, and we expect that to continue. But this fund offers clients pure exposure to the globalization of shareholder activism.
And who is the fund suited for?
SKAGEN Insight offers fundamentally the same exposure as traditional activist funds, but in a smarter way, which allows us to open up this part of the market to, for example, retail clients that historically have been locked out. And we believe it's a strong fit for people that agree with us that it makes sense to put engaged owners in the driver's seat of companies.
And if you were to give me 3 good reasons for investing in SKAGEN Insight, what would they be?
So the fund is based on a novel concept that gives pure exposure to shareholder activism. And we believe that this will continue to benefit people that are able to participate in the improvement of companies. In addition, the way that we run this fund as a shadow activist has some added benefits over traditional activist funds, for example, daily liquidity and lower fees. Also, we believe this is an in-step into the next level of active management, which we believe will ultimately prevail over passive management.
Well, best of luck with that, Thomas. And would you like more information about SKAGEN Insight? Please visit our website. Thank you for watching.